I'm a COVID boy.
You're a COVID boy.
I'm a COVID boy.
I'm really sad because I'm missing my best cousin's baptism.
Did you know that you can look up boy bedroom ideas
On on your phone. On your mom's.
Look how sick these are.
Yeah. 8-year-old boy bedroom ideas.
Boston discovered Pinterest, everyone. Boston discovered Pinterest in an effort to cheer his spirits up. He was like, you know, I was looking at house plans.
Because we're moving and I want to look up bedroom ideas.
Yeah. And so I was like, Boston, you can look on Pinterest. He's like, what's Pinterest? I was like, let me show you, Bossy. Let me show you the world of Pinterest. And he's hooked.
Yeah.
He's hooked.
These are really cool.
Aren't they so cool?
And I saw some that I might like for the new house that we're gonna move in. Not in like about 1 year.
Son, it's gonna be 2 years before we actually move in.
What?
But it's okay. Speaking along those lines, it's done. I made a change to the floor plan. I'm gonna make a video about it. I'm going to make a video about it and show you next week. All right, things got a little cranky between the last clip in here. Okay, let's go. Nobody, I repeat, nobody wanted to go for a walk. However, I am making everyone come out, get some fresh air. I mean, do you get vitamin D when the sun's going down? Let's go this way.
I was already outside.
Lady's so happy. She's like, I will eat all the snow.
It's Wednesday. Everyone basically got ready for the weekend, and so it feels like a Friday. We're just cranky and tired and
I'm not.
You're
I
not?
was outside playing with what I got for Christmas.
I know. A soccer net?
Soccer net.
Pretty sweet.
This morning me and Dad jumped to it. It's so slippery! I want to slide on it. It's actually really slippery. Alright,
Link, careful, you're gonna hurt yourself. I smell another dog. I smell something. I smell something.
Oh, that's slippery. That's slippery.
She's as sure-footed as a...
There we go. Come on.
All right, come on.
Looks like dried up hair.
Ew.
You're not selling any drink gas or like that.
Remember how you filled the Suburban up with gas before Lincoln tested positive for COVID? So now we have a full tank of gas to go somewhere today?
Fresh oil change.
And yeah, a fresh oil change, and we have somewhere to go. We thought it would be good to get the kids out of the house, and we don't have to stop. Well, none of us have to even get out of the car, because the thing that we are picking up today
is a bike rack.
They're gonna set it out for us. It's not any old bike rack. This is an RV bike rack.
That one staring straight at us, that's by himself. He's a buck.
Yeah, I know.
He's not very big.
What does that mean? Would he charge at us, do you think?
No. You're skittish.
Dad, go drive down there.
We're going to.
We will.
Daddy, roll down my
They're
window.
right by the trailer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
really
8,
fun
9,
to see 'em.
10.
Yeah, they're right by your trailer, Joel.
That's
Dad,
all.
roll my window down. Please.
Yeah.
Trick's birding.
Well, I mean, look at all these deer print. These are all deer.
Oh yeah, they're everywhere.
They're like mice.
Don't scream.
Well, I mean, there are hundreds.
I have not fed this to my kids for so long, yet here is what the kids want for dinner, so that's what we're doing. When was the last time I had just like all the kind of chips that the kids want? Hey, there's some oranges. Another empty bag of chips. We've gone through the ice cream like it's going out of style. I have not like brought the camera out very much because I just feel like I haven't wanted to. We spend all of our days watching movies, and I'm gonna walk down so we can see what the kids are up to, but we've just been watching movies. We went for that drive and that felt really good. But nobody wants to do anything. It's like, I know I don't have it. I tested negative, but I'm still not feeling like myself. Like I just don't feel good. Like I just feel tired. Even though I know I'm negative and I took 2 different kinds of tests. Are you guys sick of being, you are faking sleep. You little faker. Are you guys sick of being home or are you still enjoying it?
Well, it's fun watching movies and stuff.
I wish we were at Ellie's.
Well, I do wish I was at Aunt Ellie's.
Oh, hands down.
Oh, I would do anything.
School's
to-
fun,
The thing,
but watching movies is. I hate school.
the thing that sucks is if you had COVID, because when I had it,
Mm-hmm.
I was just really tired and sore, and like I just felt like I could sleep all day. Like, I felt like I couldn't. I don't take naps. But, like I just felt so terrible. So I had like kind of like 5 days of that, and then I had to stay home 5 more days when I was ready to go to school and
Yeah.
get back on the work that I didn't do. Because again, I didn't do any work. So I was just like, I have COVID. I'm fine.
Tomorrow, we're going to catch up on everyone's schoolwork. That's the agenda for tomorrow. Luckily, a lot of their stuff is online, so tomorrow is going to be a school day.
I only have just like 4 more pages. I've done most of it.
Okay, tell me what you're feeling like.
A little sore, but I don't feel tired.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I kind of feel tired.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
'Cause
your
it's
sleeping, yeah, your sleeping ritual says otherwise. He sleeps hard and sleeps in and goes to bed early and,
I hate when you have to wake me up on school day.
oh my word, you literally almost took my earring out.
Oh.
Like you, I felt it like grab. I was like, no, no, no. Okay, what color does everybody want?
Banana.
Okay, banana creamy. Lincoln, what kind do you want?
Orange. Is there chocolate?
Yeah, I don't know if there's any more orange. Link, there's no more orange.
What?
Is there any chocolate?
Is there banana?
Who wants chocolate?
I was seeing.
Okay, Olivia, what do you want?
Banana.
Lincoln, you want banana?
Yeah.
Well, that was me exhibiting being super patient with my kids.
3 orange cream each.
I know, sad. Okay, lady out. Lady, come.
But there's like tons of chocolate flavored.
We're just eating ice cream in front of the fireplace. I mean,
Trying to make them
Nothing
melt.
will melt in front of a fireplace.
yeah, do not make it, do not. Oh, that was so sad. When Julie's kids were here, Porter, my little nephew, so sweet and cute, he sat too close to the fireplace and burned his hoodie to the fireplace. Cleaned off really well. Jill has a video on it.
Well, nobody's in there. I thought somebody was in there. All right, you enjoy your little makeshift
Now nobody can see
fort.
my chair.
That's okay. Yeah, we can. We'll be all right. Make sure that doesn't get close to that fireplace because it will melt it. Okay? Let's scoot this just a little bit away. It makes me just a little bit nervous.
Just like
Max, we've already had
Who moved it closer? My chair. A small 10-year-old little boy with that little smirk on his face. Move it closer. Code, you can't move it closer, bud. You're gonna melt my chair. Catch my house on fire.
that's what melts the.
I have to have a new house built before this one catches on fire.
Am I under my beanbag?
I don't see you under your beanbag. Are you upstairs or downstairs?
Upstairs?
Okay.
I was I'm breaking that.
Yeah.
Because I found out that there was a zipper, so I unzipped it. So now.
Wait, Joel, are you filming him or am I?
So now, I'm gonna keep it open for the rest of my life. So then I can just have when a robber comes in, like.
Ooh, that's a great idea. You just keep hiding, okay? Do you want to come close the vlog with me?
I can't see.
Come here. All right, maybe I'll just close the vlog without you. If I'm being honest, I've really enjoyed my quarantine time with you, Mr. Lincoln Roy. Oh, come here. Do you want to know what I've really loved?
I'm the invisible man.
He has been very cuddly and sweet with me, and normally he's kind of maybe not so sweet. And obnoxious. So, I think he's really excited to go back to school on Monday.
No.
Yeah, you'll be all the way ready to go back to school on Monday.
I hate school.
Hey, can you come say goodbye to these guys?
Goodbye.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys.
Good night.
Bye.
Good night.
Is it weird that I don't want to stop filming you because I'm just like enjoying my time sitting here? We're not even being entertaining, we're just sitting here. Guys, this whole vlog, like this whole time we've been filming for this video, all we have done is watch TV and eat. I think I have eaten worse during this last quarantine than I did the entire month of December. It's bad. Like when I know I've already said it, but I'm gonna say it again. You were the only one that I was like really concerned about getting COVID, and I am so, so grateful that you did well with it.
Yeah. But I did touch a lot of things.
Yeah, you were very hard to contain.
Well, it's because when little kids get COVID, like, they, like, always forget quick.
Mm-hmm.
But older kids, they don't forget.
Yeah,
That
you just
much.
forgot you weren't supposed to like touch stuff in the kitchen
And that I had COVID.
yeah. You are my COVID boy.
I'm a COVID boy.
You're a COVID boy.
I'm a COVID boy.
Who peed outside?
Oh, I just bit my tongue.
Flavors are melting on my tongue.
Remember how we filled the Suburban up with gas before we all... Remember how we filled the gas...
There's a
Where?
flag.
Like what
Like
hill?
right here.
Ladies are right in my way. Joel, lady is right in my way. Please move her. Bossy, what do you want? That's exactly why I'm asking you. Hey guys, come on. That's why I pulled this knot shut so we're not knocking stuff over. Mark Rover. Hold on, Joel.
Go to church.
You freezing? Well, if you don't have COVID, you'll at least have pneumonia.